Probably you want to know how to create AI motion graphics like these ones. You have been watching lots of tutorials, lots of videos on how to create these kind of graphics, but it's quite difficult to learn how to do them perfectly and how to be able to edit them, manage them correctly, and have your own personal style. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how we can create these kind of graphics, how we can create this content and these motions with AI. Super easy. Super fast, with all the control and everything that we need. We are going to be using videotalk.app. It's as easy as just start creating, or on the top right, you can sign up. Once you are in, you can start creating content. Once you are inside the platform, you will be seeing mainly two types of content. One is the faceless content, so you have to look at this tab, and the other is the social media content. Depending on the options that you have selected during onboarding, you will have one or the other by default, but you can change between them without any problem. Motion, we have basically two ways depending on the motion graphics that you want to create. If you want to create the motion graphics that we were showing at the beginning of the video, you have to come to faceless content. If you want to create other kind of motion content in the social media content, here there are different templates. For example, we can search for video ads, then here motion graphics. And then here we have lots of examples on the right. So you can click here. Here, for example, we have this motion graphic, or we have this one, or we have this one, or we have this one. So all of these kinds of motion graphics we can do, or this one, for example. For example, I can click on it, then I can upload my own images of the products that I want to replace them with, or the logo of my company, or all these kind of things. And then here I can put my instructions. So the instruction can be something, replace all the things with clothes. I don't want food. I want summer clothes. To do that even better, you can upload your images of the summer clothes, and then you can see also the brand is Tada. So you can do all those things. Automatically, it will replace and create a video like this. I promise you that the results are going to be awesome and are going to be incredible, and you just have to select one of the motion graphics that we have here. Another way to create the motion graphics a little bit cheaper is going to the faceless content. It's not going to be the same quality because here AI is going to generate everything for us with an AI model. In the faceless content, it's going to do it programmatically. So it's going to be coding and it's going to create the content for us. So we'll have to go to faceless content. We can base which kind of graphics we want. Here, for example, for the faceless content, I would say create a graph chart explaining the AI growth explosion. Okay, so we have this. It's super simple. Create a graph chart. And then we have to select here where it says AI model. We have to change the one that comes from motion video because with motion video, we will be able to create the motion graphics. If you don't change it here, it will generate it with an AI model. It won't generate the motion graphic or the chart as we know it. Then we can add voices or not. In this case, I don't want any voice, so I would select continue without voice. Here I'm going to say do it black and white. In this case, I just want black and white, gray color palette. So this is just a color palette that I want. No voice. AI motion. The aspect ratio, what you want. If you want vertical or horizontal. In this case, I'm going to select horizontal. For the video length, I'm going to select auto. That's it. Start creating, and the AI from VideoTalk will start generating everything for you. This can take a while because the AI has to do a lot of work here. But don't worry, because you will be able to see the results. Then the AI is going to generate everything. So it will do a script. It will do some scenes that it will do for the graph charts and everything. So we'll have multiple ones explaining the whole thing. And the chart here will start working on it. We can request some changes if we don't really like it. So for example, we can do, say it much shorter. Just 10 seconds or 5 seconds, and I want just one graph chart. But in this case, I want to see the whole evolution of multiple ones. And we can click on complete production and it will start working on it. After a few seconds, we will have everything generated and we will be able to go into video editor. We will be able to see this open editor button. So we can click on it and it will redirect to this video editor where we can start watching all the different graphs. So for example, here we have one of those. Here have another. Here we have another one. And so here we have a different graph and we can watch them also on full screen. So here, for example, we want to watch this graph, all these animations. So for example, let's look at this one. All these animations that is happening here. So this is automatic generated for us. Then here we will see the other graph also. All these kind of animations, these motion things, the platform VideoTalk is going to generate them for us automatically, and we can download everything. So to download everything, we have to click on this button, export and download. We have to select MP4. Click on it, and we click on it, and it will export and download the video for us. So just click on it, and then you will be able to download it. So make sure you do it. That's super easy. Super easy to do them. And then remember that the other way that we have to do all these motion things, all these motion graphics and everything, it's possible through the social media content. Motion graphics. And here, there are a lot of examples that we can imitate. But just in case you don't want any of these examples, just want something more simple, you can do it from the faceless content. So that's, for example, you want to animate a logo, you can select this one. the bars logo animation, or this one from the logo animation that are like super nice things. Also, we have this IKEA logo animation we can imitate, so we can click on it. Here, we replace it. So here we upload our logo. Here we say, okay, do it for my logo that is Video Talk. Then if you have any brand kit selection, so you have any personal brand, select it. You can create your personal brand, then you can select here. So creating your personal brand is as easy as going to Personal Brand Rebrand Kit. Here you can upload the references, or you can put the URL of your site. Then inside the brand kit, for example, if I go to Edit button, I can upload the logo of my site, and I can select the brand font, and everything as a secondary font. I really recommend to click on the Edit button once a brand kit is done and upload your logos and everything. In the motion graphics, so if we go to Video Ads Motion Graphics, you will send all that information to the AI, so the AI knows it. So you could select here, okay, replace my brand kit with the Video Talk logo and everything. And the Video Talk logo will be AVA available because we are sending it through the brand kit. If we don't do that, we won't have the logo unless you upload it here to the product images. So that's also something we can use to generate the videos and everything. So hope you like it. Give it a try. Give me a comment with something else you want to learn, and let me know everything, what you think about the tool and everything. See you on another video.